Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you all charging method for your headphones JBL Tune Beam. So the first one is to use a USB-C cable, so just connect it to the USB-C port at the bottom of your charging case. And we can see a LED light, so it means that it's charging. And the second one is to use your phone. Basically you need to have a USB-C to USB-C cable, but if your phone doesn't support USB-C, maybe you should have a Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. So just connect it. Just connect USB-C cable to your phone and the second one to your headphones. We can see a LED light, so it means that it's charging. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.